In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change your receiving address on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to change your receiving address on 1688, a quick tips. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 shopping app. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So it takes you to all the address you have in your 1688 shopping app. So as you can see, I have a multiple address right here. So for you to change your receiving address, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the top right here. Then take you to this particular page. So you can switch to, I'm going to switch from this to this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here. Then we can simply go back. It's as simple as that. So this is how to simply change your receiving address on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation with 1688. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.